Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August 22nd, 2021. What's going on, guys? We're going to talk about AMD today. We're going to see if we can put on a price prediction in the market so that we can be in position and win, right? The last time we did our video in AMD was on August the 6th. We wanted to sit back, kick back, let the trap continue to work to see if we get any more ideas as to what he's dropping. What type of information is he dropping on the chart for AMD? Because we want to be prepared. We want to get in position so that we can beat them. So let's see if we can do that today on this video, right? We need to see if there's a massive catalyst that can supercharge the price in AMD, because clearly, look at my chart. The price has been in a downtrend. We need something to cause this price in AMD to stop dropping to finally going high in price, right? Now, the catalyst will not be what you think it will be. It will not be some type of news event. No, look at this volume right here, right? Look at this volume. This volume in AMD has been climactic comparative to where we've gone over the last couple of trading days. Look at all that volume. And as the price been coming down in AMD, the volume has been doing the same thing. So what would the catalyst be? Exactly. It would be the volume. It would be how active people are involved in this market. It's just that simple. So hit me up, join our team, join our community, and you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, also subscribing to our channel. I would recommend though that you hit that bell notification, because you want YouTube to notify you of whenever we create our price prediction of where we anticipating the price to go. So now let me break down what the market in AMD has done the last week, okay? Because clearly we're seeing the market in AMD find rejection right here, okay, right here. So around $112. That is where the market in AMD is finding restriction. Now, that's cool, that's fine, no problem with that. This is where I am eyeing the price in AMD in order for us to go higher in price in the long term, right? It's around $96, right? No lower than $96. It has to be intact. The price cannot break below $96 in order for us to maintain the prospect of higher prices throughout the rest of 2021 and beyond. $96. Okay, that is going to be very important. This is the 3-week time frame. This is troublesome. This is worrisome to see, especially if you want the price in AMD to go higher, right? We're trying to look at these charts to see where in the world is the trap trying to take this price, right? Now, this is 3 weeks, okay? In 3 weeks, the price in AMD has saw climactic volume, and look at how we close on this 3-week price bar. That is scary. Okay, I'm gonna be real. I'm not going to pump you up, hype you up to tell you that these stocks are going to shoot up to the moon, and this is not what we're getting on the charts. This on the 3 weeks time frame is extremely weak, very, very weak. Okay, now we got to be prepared for these things, because everyone else will tell you to come in and buy the dip, to continue to buy the dip, buy the market in AMD. I gotta keep it real with our people. This is not what the chart is showing us in 3 weeks. So at least in the next 3 weeks of trading, we can anticipate the price in AMD to drop, right, in 3 weeks. Now, within that time frame, of course, we'll see the price go higher, of course. But at least in 3 weeks time frame, the prospect of AMD coming lower is definitely something that we can see. That is why I'm showing you all this area right here of around $96, okay? Maybe around like 95. Okay, so this is weak right there. Now, looking at the market in AMD on the 2 weeks time frame, you can still see it here that the price in AMD is weak. Now, this is only from the near term. If you're in the market for AMD over the next 100 years, if you're not trying to get out your position in the next 100 years, this price prediction is not applicable to you. Yeah, come in and buy it up right here, because in the next 100 years, you're looking for the value of this particular product to be worth more than what it is today. So it really doesn't matter of where you're trying to enter in your position. But if you're trying to do this on the near term, it matters. So looking at this on a 2 weeks time frame in AMD, man, we're not ready yet to see the price go higher. It's not there yet. That catalyst to see the price in AMD, it's not here yet. So I think we got a little bit lower to go. Okay. Now I'm not telling you that the price is going to crash, that it's going to plummet. So just calm down, just relax. The market will drop. And what I'm seeing is that maybe around $100, 95, 96 is where we can see this market grab some support. Cool. Let's look at the market in AMD on a 2-day time frame. Okay. Now, if we were to see this price, if we're anticipating the price in AMD to come down towards 95, 96, that's about 8.5% movement to the downside. To 95, 9.25, right? Cool, we got that. Now, you guys remember I showed you where that restriction point was? Right here. Around $112, $113. Now I think you could kind of see how the market is going to react to the price in AMD. Now, we've seen all-time highs into the market. Obviously, you would expect people who's been in their position all the way back. Look at this. 1973, when they bought AMD at $1. I mean, people would naturally be coming through, taking profits off the table. This is the current process right now, okay? And that process has not been concluded. Once that process is concluded, then we'll see the resumption to higher prices, which is why I wanted to show you all these two lines, okay? Support around $95, $96, give or take. It's going to be in this vicinity, right? Where these spikes, these tops of these weekly price bars are at. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in AMD top out around $99.50 to $100. We would have to be prepared to take some profits off the table right there, which is around 4.75%. Simple, right? So I got a couple of areas that we need to come through and TP out the market. First one is at 100. Give us that 4.75% profitability. Let's grab that from the trap as this price continues to go lower, right? Next area will be around 96. 8.35% profitability right there, okay? It's simple. No confusion, nothing involved in that at all. Now, I would tell you this. Look at where we closed at on the weekly price bar right here. We closed a little bit higher than $104. The market is trying to prop up the price there. So there is still a chance that our prediction of price going lower in AMD, it won't pan out right, because I'm already seeing how the market is trying to hold support around 104. So in the initial stages of this price prediction, yes, we can see this price in AMD go higher, which is why we need to focus in on $112. As long as the price does not break that to the upside, we understand that we still got a little bit more dipping to go. So first TP area, $100. Second area will be around like 96. Okay, that's it. Let me switch this back over to the daily, because we want to watch the price on a daily time frame. Okay. Bring this in closer so we can kind of eye how the market is going to move against this price prediction. It's just that simple. Okay. Now I'm seeing already that the market is trying to prop up the price here. So rather than $100, it might need to be like 101.50, $102. We need to come through and TP out there. That's about 3%. All right. So rather than a clean $100, let's do it around 101.50, $101.50 to possibly 102. All right. So let me just straighten that up there too. All right. So that's it right there. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and give me your price prediction for AMD over the next, let's do 3 weeks. Okay, let's see what the price would be for AMD in the next 3 weeks. Drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different and keep it simple.